Hey there, today we're unboxing and reviewing the K10 Wireless Earbuds. Inside the box, you'll discover the earbuds themselves, along with a Type-C charging cable for fast and efficient charging. Additionally, you'll find a range of earpiece sizes to ensure a perfect fit. A sleek and lightweight design that fits comfortably in your ears. The sound quality is impressive, with crisp and well-balanced audio across the frequency range. Features include Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, and a long battery life of up to 8 hours. For the full video, click the link in the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.